Maybe now you use sticky notes, reminders, notebooks, and lots of other tools. To understand your works, to be transparent with your workflow, it's kind of good transformation with sticky notes and all other tools to Kanban. I'm Dineshi, a writer on WordVoice. I do write blogs, articles, websites, commercials, scripts, and so many projects on so many industries, different industries. So that now I manage all my projects with Kanban. So I manage myself to transform myself, my projects and workflow to Kanban. As you can see, I'm doing well and that is working. So now you know that today I'm going to move to give you some idea about that, how you can set up a Kanban board. And this one is very much customized to my projects and my scenario, so that you can also customize your Kanban board physically at home, at your office. It's very simple and it's all work. I normally use these stickies. This one is always used for item. That means a Kanban card where includes one item to add, a to-do, or an item to attend, anything. That this will all flow with backlog, to do, in progress, to done, and always if there are anything. I need to know a week, a month at a glance what you have done so far. You can have this done cards at the bottom, so that I keep those because I need to see what I had done at a glance. So that is for my customizations. So this is normal card, one item. If I need anything important, anything means an item not to be missed, so that I use this color. That's simple. You can use so many colors. There are so many stickies with different colors. You can use different colors. And also I use these several colors to stick very simple notes with the items. It's so simple. I use backlog, to do, in progress, done, and what are the works I have done at a glance, where all the done and past activities on within a month or within a week. So that I used to have these customization for my work flow. That transparency make me so productive. So now you can move on to how this preparation I have done, how my transformation has happened, so that I would love to share with you. Yeah, we'll go. So this is how was I like when I'm not using Kanban. Before transformation I was messy with stickies, not well formed. And now I'm going to have some kind of flourish visualizing to add some greeny and orange over my board, so that visualize makes me so much flourished with the sections. And also I had my dream in this board with the backlog, to do, in progress, done, and works which I have done at a glance. So this is so simple and this works well to get a lead to your workflow. Thanks again for watching, guys, and if you have any thoughts regarding this, any experience, any transformation experience, please comment below, and we would love to see your thoughts. We'll see again in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.